Welcome, dear viewers. Have you ever wondered if the secrets to your financial success could be hidden in your birth date? Stay with us until the end of this video, and you'll discover the fascinating world of numerology and how it can guide you to wealth and prosperity. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Numerology is the ancient study of numbers and their mystical meanings. It's based on the belief that numbers, particularly those associated with your birth date, can influence various aspects of your life, including your financial success. Let's start by understanding the basic concept of numerology. Each number has its own unique vibration and energy. By analyzing these numbers, especially those in your birth date, numerologists can uncover insights about your personality, life path, and potential for success. The most significant number in numerology is your life path number. This number is derived from your birth date and reveals your destiny and life purpose. To calculate it, you add up the digits of your birth date until you get a single digit. For example, if you were born on July 19, 1985, you would add 7 for July, plus 1 plus 9 for the day, plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 for the year. This gives you 40. Then you add 4 plus 0 to get 4, so your life path number would be 4. Each life path number has its own characteristics and strengths. Let's go through some examples. If your life path number is 1, you are a natural leader, ambitious and driven. People with this number often succeed in business and entrepreneurship. If your life path number is 2, you are a peacemaker and a mediator. You excel in fields that require diplomacy and cooperation, such as human resources, counseling, or any role that involves bringing people together. Those with a life path number of 3 are creative and expressive. They often find success in the arts, entertainment, and any field that allows them to use their communication skills. Life path number 4. Individuals are known for their practicality and hard work. They excel in fields that require attention to detail and a strong work ethic, such as engineering, architecture, or finance. If your life path number is 5, you thrive on change and adventure. You are well suited for careers that offer variety and excitement, such as travel, sales, or anything that involves exploration. Life path number 6. People are natural caregivers and often find success in roles that allow them to help others, such as teaching, healthcare, or community service. Those with a life path number of 7 are analytical and introspective. They excel in fields that require deep thinking and research, such as science, technology, or spirituality. Life path number 8. Individuals are powerful and ambitious. They are often drawn to roles that involve management, finance, or any field where they can achieve great success and influence. Finally, if your life path number is 9, you are compassionate and idealistic. You are well suited for careers that allow you to make a difference in the world, such as activism, humanitarian work, or any role that involves helping others. Understanding your life path number can provide valuable insights into your potential for financial success. It helps you align your career choices and financial strategies with your natural strengths and tendencies. But numerology doesn't stop at the life path number. There are other important numbers to consider, such as your destiny number, soul urge number, and expression number. Each of these numbers provides additional layers of insight into your financial potential and life path. For example, your destiny number, derived from your full name, reveals the opportunities and challenges you will face in your career. Your soul urge number, derived from the vowels in your name, uncovers your deepest desires and motivations. Your expression number, derived from the consonants in your name, highlights your talents and abilities. By understanding these numbers and their meanings, you can gain a deeper understanding of your financial potential and how to harness your strengths to achieve your goals. Numerology also offers practical tools and techniques for enhancing your financial success. For example, choosing lucky numbers for important decisions, such as starting a business or making investments, can increase your chances of success. You can also use numerology to select auspicious dates for important events, such as job interviews, meetings, or launching new projects. By aligning these dates with your personal numerology, you can maximize your chances of success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it insightful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on numerology and other fascinating topics. See you in the next video.